And the race is on. 3A deceiving from the outside, moving up My Queen. Also racing in third is Moscow Ballet, Checon's best. Inner class on the further outside. Deceiving 3A by Hapaland, followed by My Queen in second. Racing in third by about 2 lengths. Moscow Ballet, the favorite. Checon's best by Dralpi Pasenciosa. Mira Tanori outside, rushing up inner class. Major Mr. Universe Ula Juwon, and moving up by Dral is Gabby's Choice, Eye to Eye, while Blue Seal is running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, deceiving by 3/4 length. Moscow Ballet racing on the outside. Then here comes Checon's best, number 4, as they race the final corner. Deceiving by Anek. Moscow Ballet, Checon's best down on the inside, Pasenciosa, but deceiving by about 2 lengths now. Checon's best by Dral Moscow Ballet, and hitting the finish line. Deceiving Checon's best down on the inside by for the lead, but deceiving, and finally 3A deceiving. Checon's best close. Moscow Ballet eye to eye. Then comes inner class. 1A for your Pentapecta.